All right, today's project for this weekend's gonna be, we're shifting gears a little bit. Before we were, doing the grading, but now we got to get back to some clearing work. It's kind of important because fire season's coming along. There have been some fires through this area, so we got to make sure that we're staying fire safe, and we got this last bit to kind of get cleared before summer really starts. So for example, if you look behind me in this this kind of drainage area, it's really brushy and overgrown. There's a lot of small trees and big trees, and what can happen if we don't keep it cleared out is that a small grass fire kind of easily follows the brush up into the tree canopy and kind of really becomes a big fire. So to prevent that from happening, we gotta kind of get this part cleared out a little bit more. The area we're working with really is kind of a small section. It's in this we're in this little triangular part of the property, kind of between the easement road and the drainage behind me. And it doesn't span very far. It kind of goes from this power pole and then kind of follows along the drainage for about 100 feet and just kind of ends in this far corner. This little triangle is where we have the RV and some of the equipment and so forth. So we want to make sure that there's no fires close to all that where we have it parked, which you can see in another video. And so to be doing this clearing work today, I'm going to start with using the excavator. Actually, there's this mulcher attachment that we put on the end of it. It's pretty cool. It chews through brush and branches pretty easily, so we can kind of get the initial kind of undergrowth cleared out and just make it easier to walk around if we have to cut a tree down or whatever, so that we don't have to wade through the brush and get poison oak. So that's why in this video it's my turn to ride the Dragon. Sharon was on the last time, but now it's my turn to run the mulcher and get this thing started. All right, well that was it for this weekend job. Pretty quick, but made a little bit of progress one day at a time. That's how we do it. So we'll see you on the next one.